Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you for always coming back to my videos. It means a whole lot to me. And if you're new and passing by for the first time, please do not leave without clicking on that subscribe button down below, and don't click on the notification bell because it will definitely notify you of any time I upload a new video. So guys, let's get right into today's video. So today's video is about my micro braided wig. Yes, this is it. So I'm going to be doing a review on this wig. Actually, I didn't make this wig. It was sent to me by my darling cousin all the way from Nigeria. She had it made and sent it to me. Well, it's not as if I can't make this wig, but I am just too lazy to do this. Yes, do you know how long this takes to make? And she did it with all her heart and sent it to me. As you can see, it's still very new. I haven't worn it. The lace and everything is still intact, so I will be wearing it for you guys to see and to tell me the verdict, how it looks on me. I'm already loving the wig. See the length, very long, and I can't wait to rock it this fall/winter, because in the summer it might be a bit heavy and make me sweat a lot, but during the winter this is just perfect. I love it already. And guys, it's not even heavy, it's very light. That is one thing I love about the wig. So guys, now I'm just going to cut off the lace and try it on. Can you see how tiny it is, guys? My cousin really did a good job. See there, can you see? Look, it's so natural. I'm already loving this wig. So let me cut it, guys, and put it on for you guys to tell me what you think about my micro braided wig. And it's in color 1, my best color. Yes. So now I'm going to cut off the lace. I hope I do it right. So guys, let's wear this wig. I'm going to hook it behind. Guys, isn't this lovely? I so much love this wig. It's so light. See how tiny it is. She put so much work into this wig, guys. I love it. What do you all think? I'm so loving my new wig. It is perfect for the fall season and for winter. See, I want yours to be done for you. Please just hit me up in the comment section and I will give you her details to do yours for you. She resides in Lagos, especially those of you who live in Lagos. I am in love with this, guys. I love it. So let me show you the bottom part of it. So this is how it looks here. Let me show you the back. So I haven't put it in hot water yet because I have to put the tip to make it relax. I just got it. I just wanted to show it up to you guys and for you guys to what do you guys think? Can you tell how excited I am about this wig? And imagine, it's an edge saver. Yes, it saves your edges for those of us who cannot sit for so long to have our hair braided like this. I can't remember the last time I did a micro twist like this. It should be over 7 years ago because I am just too lazy to sit down to go through this. But with this wig, I don't have to bother about doing boss braid that can damage my edges. So like I said, this micro twist is an edge saver. It saves your edges. You don't have to go braid your hair where you'll be scared of them picking your edges and you losing your edges. Just wear this. As you can see, even if you have bad edges, see, it's covering everything, and it can be styled in a different way. If you want to do it side parts, which is this, it goes. Can you guys see? But as for me, I always love the center parts, but side part is not so bad. See, you can style it anyhow you want. You see? Back to the center part, which is my favorite. You see how natural it looks, guys? See what she did here. Good job. I am so excited about this wig. And you can always put it in a bun too if you don't want it to disturb you. Can be styled like this too. Guys, I love my wig, and like I said, if you want yours done for you like this, she resides in Lagos. I will give you her contact. Just hit me up in the comment section. I'm so going to be rocking this wig. I don't have to stress myself about combing my weaves or struggling with my natural hair. I just have to put it on protective style and off I go. I put on my wig. You see, it looks so natural. It doesn't even look like a wig, does it? I'm just so excited. So guys, we have actually come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.